Hey guys, in today's video we will discuss how to delete a listing on Depop. Watch this video until the end to learn various systematic procedures to do this. To delete a listing using the Depop app, launch the app and access the home page. Tap the profile icon once to access your listings. Tap the item listing you intend to delete to open its detailed view. Tap the ellipsis icon at the top of the listings view and select Delete Item. If using the old app version, tap the Edit button at the bottom of the listings detail view and click the Delete Item option on the resultant menu. Click Delete on the confirmation pop-up to confirm the deletion. To delete a listing while using Depop's web version or the PrimeLister extension, navigate to your Depop Store and select a listing you intend to delete. Click the slide bar button from the listings detailed view, click Delete and confirm the action on the confirmation pop-up. There you have it, guys. Deleting a listing on Depop is that simple. Thanks for watching.